This video will be specifically for users who own Acer Nitro 5, and this video will focus on the software NitroSense. It had been a couple of months that Acer website had taken down the NitroSense download link, and many users were facing issue because if an user has reformatted their laptop or had done a fresh install of Windows, NitroSense software was not available through the support pages, and many users were asking me via email that if there is any link available to download, then please share with us. Or there were user forums where direct download links were available. But what I've noticed is in last couple of days, if you visit Acer website, so I'll walk you through it. So just type Acer support on Google and it will lead you to the local support page. So since I'm based in India, it will give me Acer India support page. Now my Acer Nitro 5 laptop has model number AN515-58. So I have checked this before and NitroSense software was not available to download. But if you visit this support page now, then you can scroll down until application. Under that, you can see NitroSense is listed back again and the upload date is 14th of May. So irrespective of the model number, if it happens that your specific model number doesn't have the NitroSense, you can still visit the page, type AN515-58 and scroll down to application and just click on download. This will download you the official NitroSense zip file. Just install it through the setup.exe and everything should work fine. If it happens that after installing NitroSense doesn't respond or is not starting the application, then just restart your laptop and everything should be fixed. Just run this setup file and it should be fixed. So thank you for watching. This was just a short video for the users owning Acer Nitro 5. Other than that, if you face any issues, then please reach out to me via email. And to all the users who approached me and asked me queries, it was really great and I had a great response with the users. I'm glad that I can help you guys. So thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're a new viewer.